Retirement is not the end of a career, but the beginning of a beautiful new chapter filled with freedom. Let's give them a warm round of applause as they take the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, the entrance of Crossroads. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. May I invite everyone to rise as we welcome a remarkable educator, an inspiring leader, and a woman of grace and strength, Dr. Lynette Lumay Del Castillo. Let us give our warmest welcome to our honorees, Dr. Limber Del Castillo.
The 5 departments from the College of Education, Dr. Sonia Magcalas, Dr. Donna Dorico, and from Sharon Picardo to attend in my behalf for the EAS N3 conference. We also had our Administrative Council meeting yesterday, financial meeting yesterday.
Once again, thank you so much, Sir John Moore. Up next is a special tribute prepared by the graduating batches of elementary education. A set of tokens. The batch 2015 present a necklace symbolizing her shining heart, a heart that has touched countless lives with grace and strength. To offer this token, may we request longevity Kabilgan. Batch 2016 offers a timepiece, honoring the 42 years she devoted to service. Years filled with patience, passion, and purpose. To offer this token, may we call in Sir John B. Ariola. The batch 2021 presents a plant representing her gift of nurturing growth, cultivating life, hope, and confidence in every student. Mr. John Mark Camagulo. Batch 2022 offers a scarf symbolizing the comfort, protection, and motherly warmth she has generously given through the years. To offer this token, may we call on Miss Rachel Arones. A scarf made of hablon. Once again, the batch 2023 presents a 41 years of committed service. Each cupcake represents a year shaping minds, touching hearts, and and building futures. A sweet reminder of the countless lives she has inspired through her journey as an educator and leader. Ladies and gentlemen, let us now proceed to our service tribute moments honoring Mount members' 41 remarkable years of service to be offered by Ms. Sharon Joy Pacardo.
Sama daw ko no. Tapos pati ni Ma'am. Ayun. Thank you so much. Indeed, those 41 cupcakes are more than just a tribute. They are sweet reminders of the meaningful years Ma'am Laverne has given in service, love, and dedication. Ma'am, pwede na po tayo po. And now we move to one of the most heartfelt portions of our celebration. Beyond the awards, symbols, and gestures, the truest measure of a teacher's legacy is found in the lives she has touched and the people she has inspired. This moment is dedicated to the voices of those who carry her influence in their hearts. To begin our message of appreciation, we call in one of her former students, Mr. Johnny Ariola, to share his heartfelt message for Ma'am member. A round of applause, please.
Hello, mabuhay. Good morning. So ako din ako na mamahatag sa message kay Ma'am Bell. While I was scrolling my TikTok, there is this trending song right now from The Weeknd. The title of it is For Good. And part of the lyric says, "Who says that I've been changed for the better? But because I knew you, I have been changed for good." If I'm going to look back of all the people that I've met in my life, si Ma'am Bell ang isa sa mga tao nga nag-believe sa akon even if skeptic ako or doubtful ako sa akon self. I don't know, pero may love galing nga amo sina that transcends beyond our own limitations, beyond our own expectations. Inabala sometimes, wala ka nagapati nga makaya mo. Pero si Ma'am Bell, nagapamatuod nga makaya mo ina. 5 years nga nag-spend ako sa akong nga life sa UP. From 2020, si Ma'am Bell ang nag-motivate sa akon nga padayon. Hindi ka dapat mag-untas, bisan ano pa kabunday sina. And she was there sa nag-graduate ako, and I hope I made you proud, Ma'am Bell. And also, nakita ko man kay Ma'am Bell na isa man siya sa mga tao nga mataas ang emotional intelligence. I know that I'm not perfect, pero si Ma'am Bell, nag-suspended siya sa iyang judgment towards me and even to my own behavior. As much as possible, wala gini siya naghahambal sa mga malaing nga tinaga nga makapalain man lang sa balansyagon. Kaya ako ginakita nga grabe ang support niya sa akon, ang pagpalangga, kag ang tanan-tanan, dinamotivate niya gid ako sini. And besides, nagserbi gid siya as my second mother. Tatlo na galing, third mother na siya. Thank you so much, Ma'am Bell, for everything, and I hope na happy gid ikaw sa imong birthday subong. Kag I know nga hindi mo gusto magpang-makeup, pero nakikita ka gid na magpang-makeup, it's because nga retirement party mo ini. And if at this point of life, if I'm going to ask myself, kung nag-change given ako for the better, but because I knew her, I have been changed for good. Thank you so much, Ma'am Bell.
very much, Mr. Johnny Ariola, for that touching and heartfelt message. Truly, your words reflect the impact of Ma'am Nimber has made in the lives of her students. To continue our messages of appreciation, let us now hear from someone who has walked alongside her, not just a colleague, but as a dear friend. Ladies and gentlemen, may we call on Professor Johnny Cristobal. A round of applause, please.
Hindi. 5 chapter ni Thomas galing kay pupunta ka ng dagat. At least yung para pag-ilap, pinapantay na. So, wala sa gayon. Okay. Dr. Lincoln Bernardino, our hardworking counsel. Dr. Bernie K. Bernardino, our hardworking administrator. Distinguished officials, esteemed faculty, and beloved honorees. Good morning. Before I proceed to my
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share Ryan Sautry Vlog.